Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to use free stock videos in Filmora. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Wondershare Filmora official website and download the official application. Now, when you did that, you just need to go and log into a profile, but that's not so important. Now guys, that we got that out of the way, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So here we have the files, we have the edit, tools, view, export, and the help. But the export button is gray because we don't have anything put in. Also, we have the media, audio. So now guys, let's see how you can actually go and use free stock videos in Filmora. It is pretty simple. You just need to go and follow these few steps. Basically, what you need to do is, of course, go and on Google and go and find the stock website that you're gonna take videos from. You have several. You can go and download them from Pixabay. You can download them from Video, it's typed VIDEFO. You can do it from Motion Elements. You can do it from Pixels. You can do it from WDZ. You can do it from Life of Width. And then when you have your video that you wanted and you have it now, you can just go and from your desktop, drag it and put it here, and then put it here, and you have your video in Filmora. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as this, guys, really helps us grow our channel. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this channel. Bye guys.